From this distant vantage point, the Earth might not seem of any particular interest. But for us, it's different. Thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines. Every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization. Every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, every saint and sinner in the history of our species.
It's Dr. Mike Moriearty. Today I'm going to go over 4 things you should know before you choose a vibration plate. The first thing you should know is the vibration type. There's mainly 3 types of vibration that a plate can produce. Usually the higher the quality, the more vibrations. Vibration is important because it helps stimulate the reflex reactions that help then increase circulation, improve bone density, and also burn more calories. The primary 3 vibrations are oscillation, translation, which is side to side, and vertical vibration, which is up and down. The combination of these 3 vibrations create the maximum amount of muscle recruitment, which in turn leads to more calories used, more stimulation of bone tissue, etc. Okay, the second one is construction. Because these machines can generate so much force, so much energy, it relies on the quality of the machine, the quality of the materials they build it with, because a cheaper machine is going to use a lighter gauge metal, which in turn will not last that long, and you'll be pushing it further to its max, which greatly reduces the longevity of the machine. Plus, you also want to know that when you start doing more variation with exercises, you want the tower to be strong so that it allows you to use it as a platform to generate different types of movements. Very important. One of the easiest ways to tell the construction of the machine and its quality is the weight. Our machine, for example, is roughly 155 pounds. The steel on the bottom is roughly 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters thick. This greatly increases the strength. The top part has tubular steel like a roll cage in a car that allows you to put your weight into it so that you can do various new types of exercises. The top is important. A lot of machines use a metal top that have sharp corners that if you put your finger in between the top and the platform, it could get pinched in there, which in turn can cause damage and other things like this. So it limits the exercise that you can do with the vibration plate. Okay, our machine, we use a reinforced fiberglass top where the top platform goes around and down the base. This allows you to put your hands on the machine and exercise your upper body so that you don't have to worry about your fingers being pinched from the base and the top on a metal plate. This is very important. The last one is the motors. You want to have a brushless motor, a DC brushless motor, which has more power and a smaller size. It's more efficient. So you don't have to worry about it generating a large draw off the electrical outlet, which can then pop circuits. And also, the stronger the motor and how it attaches the machine improves the longevity of the machine. It generates a higher amplitude, which then generates more energy into the body, which the body has to respond to, and then you create a more efficient workout that generates more stimulation of the muscle fibers, which in turn burns more calories. Okay, this is Dr. Mike Moriearty. Now our machine, we run dual motor setup. Each motor is roughly 1 horsepower and draws a little bit less than 1,000 watts each, which makes this machine very efficient. The motors are brushless, which allows them to be small in size, but the longevity is truly increased by having this type of system. Compared to other motors that use a 1 motor setup, our machines allow you to vary your workouts greatly. Okay, this is Dr. Mike Moriearty with the iVibration Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button, hit a like, leave a comment. Very important for YouTube. Again, this is Dr. Mike Moriearty. Thank you and have a good day. Peace.